is a big story. We went and been. Austria and Germany have thrown down. So they filed a lawsuit against the EU. But part of that lawsuit, they even mentioned the word Utah. Well, Utah is the only municipality in the world that is funding these SMR. And in Austria Germany, they're like, no, enough of your greenwashing. Nuclear energy is not green, blah, blah, blah. I mean, so I was in Europe a few years ago, and I was in Salzburg. And I run into these guys, they're from Salt Lake. So I'm running into Denmark, Austria, and so I'm friends with him. So it's an important historical moment that Austria and Europe is enough of the nuclear energy greenwashing machine. We're not doing it. We're not doing it. I'm here in Ogden. So he's from Salt Lake. I run into him in Salzburg, Austria. What's the odds? I gotta show you this hat. I gotta get a picture of your hat. He's from Hof, Germany. Hof. They're from Salt Lake. We're in Ogden. She's from Vienna. This is Waynesgard. She's actually related to me. Something rotten in the new Denmark, but she's from Vienna. So, Germany, I just wanted to do one that I fought cancer with, and she's 81. A survivor. It's sitting right over there. She said, I got COVID. She says, he's like, yeah, so they tested me. Yeah, I had it. No symptoms. 87. They're very active. Jack Parsons made this himself, or had it made for my grandpa a few months ago. So, thank you in Austria, thank you in Germany. They even called out Utah in the suit. Utah's the only municipality in the world. I mean, think about it. As soon as we forget.